Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure iPhone basics are correct. Location services must be on, and Waze needs precise location. Once done, force close Waze and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reinitiate antenna fixes. Then reopen Waze and watch the blue dot. If it drifts, allow a minute for GPS lock. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so Waze can update location in the background, and check for any visible iOS update prompts before proceeding to deeper steps. Now you dive deeper. Reset location and privacy to clear corrupted permission caches, because that often fixes inconsistent GPS reads. Next, disable any VPN and disconnect Bluetooth GPS or car linkers that can override iPhone GPS. If problems persist, delete Waze, do a full reboot, then reinstall. This clears app-level corruption and ensures the latest binary. Make sure to grant location permissions again when prompted, and verify motion and fitness access, so Waze can finish by force restarting your iPhone to reinitialize radios and sensor stacks. That often clears lingering GPS issues. Then open Apple Maps to verify true GPS accuracy. If Maps is accurate, Waze should be next. Open Waze and watch the blue dot lock within a minute. If you still fail, reset network settings or recalibrate the compass by moving your phone in a figure eight. As a last resort, contact Waze support with diagnostics. They can check server-side or account-specific causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.